Meet Jamie. As a busy project manager for a big-time game developer, he's constantly on the move. Stand-ups, sit-downs, or one-on-ones, name the meeting and you'll likely find him there. But with OmniPlan for iPad, he can manage his projects from anywhere. Launch OmniPlan for iPad and tap the plus button to begin planning your next project. Adding new tasks to your project is just as easy. Type the name of your task, tap the plus button again, then tap Done. Most projects happen in phases, moving from one goal to the next. Tap and hold the plus button to add a milestone. Then tap the Edit button, select the tasks, and choose Group. You can adjust the duration of a task by dragging the handles left or right. Many tasks require another task to be finished before the next one can start. Tap a selected task to toggle the handles and drag the connection arrows from one end of the task to the start of the next. Or tap the Edit button to connect multiple items at once. Dependent tasks automatically shift along the Gantt chart to build the timeline. Then tap the Task Info popover to edit details and add some style. With his project plan taking shape, Jamie can assign and schedule work for his team. Manage and assign resources from the Resource popover. Tap the plus button to add another resource. These are the people, equipment, and materials necessary to make the project happen, and they can help you keep track of cost and efficiency. You can also customize the schedule for a particular resource. Tap a time block and drag by the handles to adjust the resource's normal work hours. Tap Exceptions to add time off or overtime. Use the up and down arrows to move on to the next resource's schedule. When you're ready to start assigning tasks, select the task or group, open the Resource popover, and choose the Assignments tab. Then choose which resource to assign to the task. The duration of the task automatically adjusts based on the number of team members allocated to it. Then, turn on automatic leveling to balance the workload for optimal resource efficiency. After assigning and scheduling the work, Jamie can set the project plan in motion, syncing with OmniPlan for Mac, tracking changes, and collaborating along the way. Tap the Project Info popover to configure the overall details of the project, including generic or specific dates, planning direction, forward or backward from a fixed start or end date, or set which units are displayed. You can even edit the normal work hours for the entire project to take non-work hours, like holidays, into account. Tap Sync to publish your project to a shared server, enabling your team to subscribe to the project plan for convenient collaboration. When you update the project, OmniPlan checks the server for recently published changes. Tap the View popover to accept or reject changes. Then, tap Baselines to compare the actual plan in progress with a previously set baseline. You can even filter the project plan to see how close you are to complete. No matter the scope of the project or size of the team, with OmniPlan for iPad, you've got a game changer in your hands. Pick up OmniPlan for iPad in the App Store today.